Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do the third module of Microsoft Excel, that is ProGear. The title you can see, that is ProGear Excel Module 3 SAM Project A. Perform calculations with formulas and functions. So it's the third project of Microsoft Excel. If you want me to do this project for you or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Statistics, Business Analytics or Finance related projects, just text me on the WhatsApp. You can also text me on the email and share your files there, and I will complete the file for you and send it back to you. You can just submit it and get it graded. So it's a very economical service. You can text me anytime, 24/7. It's available service. So heading towards the first step, make sure that you have replaced 1 with 2 at the end of your start file, and also make sure that you have your name in the documentation sheet in cell B6. Okay, so let's head over towards the first step. Latrice Ramsey is a financial analyst for the ProGear in Jersey City, New Jersey. The company manufactures equipment and clothing for professional sports team, and Latrice is analyzing its shipping and sales data in Excel workbook. She asks for your help in completing the analysis. So basically that's a role that we are giving. Let me zoom it for you. Go to shipping analysis worksheet. Okay, we are already on the shipping analysis worksheet. Before you can complete the summary information for Latrice, you need to perform calculations in other part of the worksheet. Start by determining the number of days in the transit of each order. Okay. In cell F10, insert a formula without using a function that subtract D10 from E10. This is the cell F10, and we have to subtract D10 from E10. This is the E10 delivery date. Put an equal sign. E10 minus D10. That's it. Use the fill handle to fill the range F11 to F36 with the formulas in F10. Since we are using this formula in F10, we have to use fill handle. This is the fill handle. We will use it up to F36. Yeah, up to this. That's it. Moving to step number 2. If the shipper completed the delivery in 2 days or less, you can bill ProGear a surcharge of $14 per shipment. Calculate the total shipping charge as follows. Okay. In cell H10, insert a formula. Okay, this is the cell H10, and we are going to insert a formula of if. That's it. Whether the number of transit F10 is less than or equal to 2. So the first logical test will be F10 less than or equal to F10 less than or equal to 2. So what should I get if that is true? If the number of transit is less than or equal to 2, add the standard shipping charges G10 to 14. Then we must add G10 plus 14. Okay, so just have an idea. Okay, if this column right there, this is less than or equal to 2, then it should this column should be added with 14, that is the surcharge. Okay, now if the number of days in transit is greater than 2, display the standard shipping charges. So value if false, that is we are going to get G10, that's it. So I'm clicking OK. Now you see this is greater than 2, so it's not adding up. Okay, so when we fill the handle, when we fill the formulas in column H, you will see this one should be around like 18, something like that, or 17, because it is less than 2. So Excel will automatically add $14 to this surcharge, to this shipping charges. Use the fill handle to fill the range H11 to H36 with the formulas in H10. Since I'm using this formula, I'm just copying it and filling it with the formulas like this. That's it. Now if you see what I was talking about, this one, okay, so if that is less than, this is already less than 2, you can see. So Excel has added $14 to this and displayed it right there. I hope you have got it. Well, if you're finding it difficult, you can just text me and share me your files right there on the WhatsApp or email, and I will complete that assignment for you. It's very economical, so don't worry about it. Now you can complete summary in the range A4 to H7. Okay. Now it says insert a formula using COUNTA function in C5. Where is C5? This is C5, and we are going to insert a formula COUNTA function, since we are counting the text values, and the range should be split range J10. This is the J10 hash, so we are using J10 hash and enter. These are the values that were the text that we just calculated. Okay, we just counted right there, number of cities. So we are done with step number 3. Moving to step number 4, that is in cell C6, enter a formula using roundup and average function that averages the number of transit F10 to F36 with a decimal of 0. Okay, so C6 is this one. The formula will be average roundup, and what we are rounding is average, and the range of average is F10 to F36. And to what decimal we are counting it, we are using a 0 decimal. That's it. So we are done with the step number 4 as well. Moving to step number 5, that is in cell C7, enter a formula using max function that identifies the most days a shipment spent in transit. So C7 is this one. Put a formula of equal sign max, and the range there we are calculating from, that is F10, I guess. Let me see, F10 to F36. F10 to F36, the max number of days in a transit, that is 10. So we are done with step number 5 as well. Moving to step number 6, that is in G5, enter a formula using minimum function. This is G5. Put an equal sign, minimum function, again the range would be f10 to f36. Minimum number of days in transit, that is 1. So we are done with step number 6 as well. Now we are using will be doing the step number 7, that is Latrice wants to identify a shipper that delivered a shipment in the minimum number of days. Create a formula that provides information as follows. Okay, in G6 and begin to enter the formula using XLOOKUP function. This is G6 and here we will use XLOOKUP, that is XLOOKUP. And the first, it says use the minimum number of days in transit G5 as a lookup value. So this is the lookup value G5, and it says use the days in the transit, the range f10 to f36 as a lookup array. So we will be using f10 to f36 as a lookup array, and use the shipper name fb10 to b36 as a return array. b10 to b36 as a return array. Display not found if lookup value is not found. Okay, so we will be writing not found in this column, and the match mode, specify an exact match mode 0 as a mod, and use the default for the search mode, so the Excel. Okay, that's it. Search mode is default. Use the default for the search mode, so the Excel. Okay, we are not going to change anything right there. Click OK. Now you see the minimum number of days in transit, the preferred shipper, that was ExpressNet. Okay, so we are done with the step number 7 as well. Moving to step number 8, that is go to analysis worksheet. This is the sales analysis worksheet. In cell B2, use a today function to insert the current date as the report date. So B2 is right there. We have to use the current date formula, that is equal sign today. It will display us the current date. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, just press enter. Now you see the current date is displayed right there. So we are done with the step number 8 as well. Now moving to step number 9, that is use the quick tools analysis tool to sum the quarterly sales revenue of each product category in annual return B5 to E9 and displays the result in the range F5 to F9. So F5 is this one, F9 is this one. So we are going to use the quick analysis tool to sum up. I think the sum is range, yes, to sum, yeah. So we are going to select all the range, click here, and in the total you can get this sum. Sorry, I just forgot it. This is the range, and you can, what you can say, this is the totals and sum. Sorry, I'm just okay. You can sum up, write this using select the range, and it will automatically sum the range in B5 F5 to F9. So that's the step number 9, and that's it for this video, I guess. I have done mostly 60-70% of the video for you. If you want me to do the complete assignment, just text me on the WhatsApp or email me with your files, and I will complete the assignment for you within next few hours and submit it to you. You can submit on your portal and get it graded. I can help you with the Excel Access, PowerPoint, Mathematics, Statistics, Business or Finance related projects. So do save my number and do text me whenever you need help. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.